Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will do an intraday analysis for HYLN Holdings Corporation traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name HYLN. Well, this is a stock that's actually now seeing a very serious, almost 4-week decline, very continuous one, and now the question is it going to continue further? Where can we enter and when we can expect for some kind of a reversal? Well, to understand this, let's do a quick analysis for HYLN. Actually, you can clearly see here that starting from 20th of June, this stock started its nice upwards trend, which coincided almost with moving average 50. Here the blue line, by the way, here we have three moving averages depicted. It's moving average 20, 50 and 200 being green, blue and red line correspondingly. Here on the left you see their captions. So coming back to the analysis, starting from 20th of June, the price took two huge waves for the formed trend, trend 1, and the first wave actually consisted on two steps. 1, 2, then it equilibrated about beginning of August, and then somewhere in 10th of August reconfirmed trend 1 line and again started like free cascade upwards movement, where again sending the price in very high RSI wise. In the 8th of September this was the top of this and of the second wave, and then actually first stabilization of wave took place, seemingly like forming a classical wave and using moving average 20 here as additional support. But then what happened on 22nd of September, the downwards correction of the line of the wave actually broke and the wave really plundered downwards. Again, reconfirming trend 1 line, and this usually happens at the not declining waves but breaking waves. It usually recovers and then the major correction starts. That's exactly what took place here. We saw recovery until the previous levels of about 50ish here at these kind of volatility support lines, and then it second time worked actually as a resist, and then we saw that the price really went down all the way, pierced the trend 1 line, made the first cascade stop somewhere around 30ish because it was another support line. In this case it was a kind of actually volatility line, the blue line, which coincided also or was partially formed on the peak of previous wave, on the first wave, and also on the legs, actually on the steps and on the depths of the second wave. After piercing further this level, we are now observing kind of second cascade, which has a little bit slower tendency than the first one. So its derivatives, second and first derivatives are slower. But now what we see is actually the price. Today's prices, this yellow candle, it's still temporarily dodgy, but trading session is not ended yet, and here we have a daily candle, so we will only see the candle formation at the end of the day. Still, what is remarkable here that this candle is volatiling inside of previous candle, meaning like probably we observe some deceleration of price declining, meaning that a reversal point is nearby. And then of course we need to understand where the potential reversal could take place, and we need to see our cascades of support lines. Therefore this, if we do this, this would be the first support line, and we're exactly sitting on it today, volatiling up and down. Then the second support line is here, and should the price go even further, which is very unlikely, but if any, here is a bunch of other support lines. We can see, I think draw not completely straight, so let's redraw it. So this one, then another one, and actually the final one, which is very rare, probably we will never see it, but it's on these levels. So if you look carefully here, what you actually can see, it's that we have a very well echeloned sequence of supports. Let's name them S1, S2, S3 and S4 correspondingly, and the price is now sitting on the S1 line. So whenever action, we can return at any reverse at any moment, but if action, downwards action takes place further, we will face actually double support here. It's a S2 line with moving average 200 and then another two support lines. Therefore the reversal is nearby. It could be a technical reversal again, then most probably the line in this case R1, the blue line will work as a very high resist level. Here, or it could be a general reverse, like not just technical one. Then it should be combined with some kind of catalyst. And if we don't have this together, then it most probably will be just a technical reverse. But anyway, if you want to place your bids, so the first entry point would be at actually already at these levels, anything below S1. Then the second entry level would be anything below S2 and between actually S2, S3 channel, and the third line would be actually in the vicinity S4 or a little bit lower S4. And as always in these situations, we advise average down with 1, 2, 2, meaning like you first buy with one portion, then you average down with 2, and again second time you average down with 2 portions. Therefore, if you want to play with this fund, the best advice strategy would be to do 5 portions play with average down, as we just discussed, and then at any of these pivot points it is expected to have a technical reversal. Depending on the level we start the reversal, one of the support lines might work then as a resist, for example if it would be the last circles, but if in the first circle we will take place, then as I just said, R1 line will most probably work as another resist. Then we will see at these points, or if it would be here, then here or there, how the price will further develop, because it will be a combination again and momentarily chart situation, the news, and also we don't need to forget that again everything is going on lockdown probably due to global COVID situation, so this hammer can also come into play again as we just had it in April, and whatever could happen. Let's hope not, but we still need to keep this in mind. Anyway, HYLN is actually becoming now a very interesting stock to watch and to put your alerts and entry points as discussed here. On that, we would like to wish you good luck with HYLN Holdings. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and view our previous videos where we discuss another US-based opportunities and interesting situations within other stocks.